What's up, guys? It's Alex and Anthony. And today we're gonna make ice cream bread. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye, guys.
Go ahead. Today we're gonna be using vanilla ice cream. Say measuring cups, coconut spray, a big bowl, a big spoon, a bread pan, sprinkles, and self-rising flour.
Hey guys, we're back again, and there's 3 ingredients how to make ice cream bread. So you need 2 cups of fat, full ice cream, and the original ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and 1/2
self-rising
flour, and rainbow sprinkle.
Alright, so this is the boys adding in their self-rising flour. Go ahead. You're going to put in 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. Go ahead, Alex. Anthony added his in. Alex added his in. Alright, so we added in our 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You want to make sure that it's soft so that you're able to turn it. The point of only having to use 2 main ingredients is that the ice cream already includes your egg, your milk, and your sugar.
Mommy.